the Della move, to the Della move. Come crowd of people come get in on the road trouble. The Della move, to the Della move. Come crowd of people come get in on the road. That is a madman move, you know. No man, seriously. A madman in a De La Vega city over Spanish Town. We're dancing and we do the dance. I saw him dance. That's why I named De La Move. I come from De La Vega city. The De La Move, to the De La Move. Come crowd of people come get in on the crew. The De La Move, to the De La Move. Come crowd of people come get in on the crew.
De La Move is the 1987 hit for the man called Admiral Bailey, though his mother would call him Glendon, a song that has surely stood the test of time, one inspired by someone of unsound mind, doing what only he could perceive, immortalized in Jamaica's music history when Bailey, in his admiration, put lyrics to what was happening.
Madman a dance, and the dance bad, the move bad, right? So we watch the move and we say, yo, you know, so I'm bad dance this. So him a move him and him a do them things. So we are making move your hand like you're pointing for someone. Yeah? Move your foot, turn it in a fashion. So everything him do we are DJ about, you know.
From the Kingston 11 community of Olympic Way, Bailey's love for music began at the Tivoli Gardens High School, where he attended classes. He was a big fan of sound systems, as it was the prime way of getting your music out there during the 80s. So he began following the popular ones.
One night, Volcano come to town. And Volcano consists of a whole heap of big artists, as you know. Pupa Tayan, Josie Whale, El Fico, one whole heap of them. So them a play for Olympic Way. And Josie Whale there, DJ. So me becomes the community DJ now, you know. Right? So everybody in the community now know of Admiral Bailey. So with this big sound come to town now and things, people them start shout, yo, why here Admiral? So at the time, Josie Whale never know about me in terms of him never know me. I hear the name, but he don't know me. So him say, oh, the people them want to hear Admiral. Come down, Admiral. And hold the mic. And mash up the dance.
It was no turning back after that. And after this hit with fellow artist Shaka Demos, the rest of Jamaica too would be wanting more of Admiral Bailey.
One scotch, one Bergman, one beer.
As for his name, it was a militant period with a lot of army bigwigs, so Glendon went with Admiral. And now we're witnessing history. As for his comedic style of writing, he attributes this to being able to look at what is happening in front of him and lyricize it with humor. This is the reason, he says, people continue to love and relate to them to this day.
Jump Up. My song with it the name Jump Up. I write for Olympic Way, that's what I believe. Sit down, sound and play. I don't remember the song. But at the time, I jump, the people them a jump, them not stand up and dance, them a jump. I said to little twitch, I said, little twitch, watch there. Jump up, everybody jump up. I'm just going to the studio, I'm going to do it. Group number one.
Jump up, everybody jump up, everybody jump up.
Me a stitch it in a ding-dong buckle for the title and DJ of the year. And him come out with that song, say, nothing dreadlocks off the face, that type of living. Run away. And everybody I say, I can't catch him again. I'm just going to the studio and say, hey, only thing me they done.
For the hit Big Belly Man, his process was just the same. This time, inspiration hit at the Champions in Action stage show at Fort Clarence.
With the backstage, I wait on my time to perform. And then when me look, whole with the backstage, me, Jim Brown, Bobby Digital, Josh Pang, Jammins, Steely, and when me look, every man belly big. I said, no man, I joke this. And at the time, every man with them belly big round, they have money. So in come Big Belly Man. If you want some money, get some belly.
All throughout his career as a dancehall artist, Bailey never ceased to make light of a matter, and obesity was not exempt. And as someone who has been around and seen the influence and reach of the music, he has some advice.
Don't change the beat, because the beat is what makes it work. The beat is what happened. The beat is why Europe love the music, South America love the music, North America, Asia, all of those places love it because of the beat. The music has fallen internationally. And the reason for that is the beat. Because most of the time, the things them what we are saying, the foreigner them don't understand what we are saying. But the beat, them like the beat, so them dance to the beat. So when you change the beat, you change everything.
Nobody watch me, nobody chat me, nobody watch me style and criticize me. Just take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me, take your mind off of me, just take your mind off of me. No me make you not